So my hair is completely dry and crusty. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Curly91, and if this is your first time, then welcome. I hope you find something on my channel that is useful or inspires you, and if so, I hope that convinces you to subscribe. Today we are going to talk about protein treatments, particularly an intense protein treatment. So I've been having some excessive shedding because I have not been taking care of my hair as I should, and I haven't done a deep conditioner since like my last one that I posted, which was in like November. So I haven't done a deep conditioner in a while, so my hair has been screaming at me to do a treatment. So I usually do a treatment with ApHogee. I know I've already used it, so you're gonna see how I go through the steps, but that intense protein treatment usually works really well for me and practically eliminates my shedding most of the times. And I usually use it within an 8 week span, 8 weeks. So I usually do this within an 8 week span, as in every other 8 weeks or even longer, or when I know that my hair is actually needed, because your hair will tell you that you need an intense protein treatment. So if you want to see how this video goes, I'm going to give you tips on when to use protein treatments and why protein treatments are good for your hair. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned. So today we're going to be talking about protein treatments, and I really wanted to talk about that because there's a lot of misconceptions of like what protein treatments to use and are they really effective. So let's talk about first why you would use a protein treatment. So usually people with damaged hair or damaged hair cuticles are the ones who are most likely or should be using a protein treatment. If you've color treated your hair, if you use heat a lot on your curls, if you've texturized, relaxed, anything that's damaging to your hair, then there's a chance that eventually it's probably going to need a protein treatment. And even if you've done none of these things and you've really just been like either neglecting or just normal taking care of your hair, doing the minimum, there's still a chance that you probably need a protein treatment every now and again. Now, I love doing the ApHogee intense protein treatment every 7 to 8 weeks because one, it's really good. I usually get less shedding after applying it, and two, it is actually hydrolyzed protein that's being used. And if you're using hydrolyzed protein, there's a greater chance that it will get through to your cuticle than if you use something like egg, because the molecules, the protein in egg is way too big compared to if it's hydrolyzed, then it's smaller, it's chopped up protein, and so it will get to your strands better. Now, what you're really doing when you're applying protein to your hair is you're filling in those gaps in the cuticles where it's actually damaged or where the damage is being caused. And that's why we want to use it. Now, signs that you actually need a protein treatment. So if you have excessive shedding that you can't control, like I had excessive shedding and I've trimmed my hair and that hasn't helped. If your hair seems rougher than usual, it's the ends are rough, the shaft of your hair is rough, it's frizzy all the time, it's not acting like its normal self, there's a great chance that you probably need protein. And another reason why you might need protein is if you don't have the same curl pattern like you used to. So your hair is not as elastic, it has lost its elasticity, or its elasticity. And so that's another sign that you probably need a protein treatment. And I'd recommend doing an intense protein treatment. If it is an intense protein treatment, I'd recommend using ApHogee 2-step protein treatment, and this is really good. It stinks, but it's good. So today I'm going to walk through applying this, and we'll just talk a little bit about more protein. Okay, so a good thing to do is have your hair in 4 sections. It makes it easier to apply this. The first step of the protein treatment is actually the protein itself, and I think it's made out of hydrolyzed keratin. No, there's hydrolyzed collagen. Yes, just hydrolyzed collagen. So that's the main protein in here. There's hydrolyzed vegetable protein, but the main protein in here is hydrolyzed collagen. And so it's watery. That's what I want to say. It is watery. It's not thick. It's not something that you can slather on. It's really watery. So you need to be careful when applying it. So I would suggest that you have a towel or an old shirt that you don't usually use that can take the brunt of that smell. Okay, I can't even show you. It's seriously watery. And you want to take it and apply it to the hair, to each section. Now, the thing about this is you want to do that as quickly as you can. Okay, my hair is wet from being in the shower. I just shampooed it. So first thing you obviously want to do is to shampoo it and then try to get everything from the roots to the ends of your hair. Now you can use a comb if you want, but I'm not. I'm just gonna get it through my hair. And I've done this plenty of times before, so it's not gonna be a problem today. Okay, so I'm done applying it to all of my hair, and apart from it having a wet smell, y'all, you want to either air dry after this. So I will unravel my hair and either air dry, or you can use your blow dryer. Now, when this protein treatment starts getting dried up, it's going to get hard, okay? And you don't want to manipulate your hair when it's getting dry. So usually I unplait my hair, I just let everything go, and then I use a blow dryer. And I am going to use a blow dryer. I am going to use a blow dryer this time because I don't have time to air dry my hair. So we're going to use a blow dryer so we can have this go quickly, okay? Okay, so my hair is completely dry and crusty. So you have to expect that your hair is going to be hard to the touch. But that's all good. And that means I'm ready to go ahead and wash this out. And then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I have washed out the protein from my hair, which is awesome. And so my hair is back to being soft and nice. And that's the really good thing about it. Like, my hair doesn't feel dry at all after the protein treatment. But when you put an intense protein treatment like that in your hair, it tends to change the pH of your hair. So to bring the pH back, they've added a balancing moisturizer, which is pretty much like a conditioner, and that is not watery, thank God. And it has a thick texture, so you can just go ahead and apply it to all your hair. And then I usually leave it in for a little bit, and then I take it out of my hair. All right, so I'm done applying the balancer or the restoring conditioner to my hair. And so now I'm just going to rinse that out. It's been in my hair for like 5 minutes, so I'm just going to go ahead and rinse that out. You can leave it longer if you want. It's all up to you. You can put a cap over it if you want. That's all up to you. Y'all, I don't have the time, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out of my hair, and I will be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back and everything is rinsed out. Y'all, my hair feels really good. I've used this for years. Like, I think for the past 5 years I've been using this, and it always works for me. It usually cuts off the shedding, the excessive shedding that I have. I usually see my curls come back to life. The roughness that I usually have decreases, and it's usually, my hair usually feels a lot better after doing this. I do still deep condition in between the sessions, so like I might do this today, and in the next 8 weeks I will do another one, sometimes even longer. But like, once my hair is breaking excessively, or it seems dry and brittle, like usually that's a sign of my hair saying I need protein and I need an intense protein treatment. I know I've done like protein treatments on my channel, and I've put in hydrolyzed protein in those treatments, but it's nothing compared. The percentage of protein in my protein treatments is nothing compared to what's in here. And so usually this is my go-to. ApHogee is my go-to. If you are having problems with shedding and roughness, your hair might just need protein, go ahead, try to give this a try. I bought this at Sally's, so you can go to your local Sally's and you can actually try it. The packet that I have is the sample, the smaller packet, one-use packet. They do have it in bottles. I'm not committing to buying any bottles of this. I just buy it when I know that I need it. So I can't remember how much it was. I think it's like $5.99 or like $6.99, and usually your hair gets restored within minutes. So give it a try, and if you do give it a try, please comment down below and let me know if you've actually used it, if you did give it a try, and if you actually like it, and if you don't. But I like it, and I would recommend it to anybody who's having problems with like excessive shedding and any type of damage done to the hair. Now, not to say that it will cure heat damage, but it does help your hair. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.